Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to FreshBooks for deductible expense organization, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with FreshBooks for organizing your deductible expenses, first, navigate to the FreshBooks website. On the home page, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button, usually located prominently. Click on that button to begin the subscription process. You will be directed to a registration page where you need to enter your email address. Create a strong password that you can remember but is difficult for others to get. After filling out the required fields, click on the Sign Up or Create Account button. Next, you will be prompted to choose a plan that suits your needs. FreshBooks offers different subscription tiers, so review the features included with each. Select the plan that aligns with your budget and business requirements. Once you've made your selection, you will need to provide your payment information. Enter your credit or debit card details in the appropriate fields. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid payment issues. After entering your payment details, review your order for correctness. Now, log into your FreshBooks account using the email and password you created. Upon logging in, you will be taken to the FreshBooks dashboard. From here, you can start setting up your expense tracking features. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and available tools. Begin by adding your business information under the Settings tab. Next, navigate to the Expenses section to start organizing your deductible expenses. You can manually enter expenses or link your bank account for automatic tracking. Consider categorizing your expenses for easier bookkeeping. Once you have entered your expenses, be sure to save any changes. Regularly review your expense reports to keep your finances organized. With your FreshBooks account set up, you are now ready to manage your deductible expenses effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.